Why does your scanner show the P0095 engine code? What does it mean? P0095 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake air temperature IAT sensor 2 circuit. This engine code indicates that this code means the engine control module, ECM, has detected an out-of-range voltage from the IAT sensor, signaling a fault in the sensor's wiring or the sensor itself. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty intake air temperature sensor. Damaged or loose wiring or connectors. Unplugged sensor. Problem with the engine control module, ECM. Dirty or clogged air filter. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Renault, Mercedes-Benz, Vauxhall Vivaro vans, among others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.